If you're experiencing a login timeout issue on ForgeRock 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the timeout error effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Ensure that the ForgeRock server is running properly. You can do this by accessing the server logs to identify any errors or issues that may be causing the timeout. Step 2. Review configuration settings. Examine the configuration settings related to session timeouts in the ForgeRock admin console. Look for any parameters that may be set too low and adjust them as needed to allow for longer session durations. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if the timeout error persists. Step 4. Update network settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ForgeRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Restart services. If the issue continues, restart the ForgeRock services. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the login timeout problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login timeout issue on ForgeRock 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to ForgeRock support for further assistance.